Hey guys, so I've already done my base with my Too Faced Hangover Primer and my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Now I'm just going to prep my eyes and go in with my contour and bronzer. To start off my contour, I like to use a little bit of a warmer cream to really carve out my cheeks, and then I just blend it out and soften it up with my beauty blender and my brush. This creates a really strong cutout base, and then when I go over it with powder and blend it out, it'll soften it up, but it'll still make my cheekbones look a little more chiseled. I like to use ashier and sometimes lighter powder colors to blend out my contour, just so my face isn't too warm because I am a little bit more neutral. I actually apply my contour powder around my lips because it really defines them, and I heard that JLo's makeup artist does it, so I thought I might as well start doing it. I like to take my NARS concealer and apply it right under my eyes, on my chin, the bridge of my nose, and then the center of my forehead. Then I blend out everything except for the one under my eyes because I like to go in with the eye look afterwards. For the transitions, I like to go in with a lighter, warmer tone shadow just so it warms it up a bit and helps soften it when I go in with the ashier tones. This will help it from coming off as muddy later on. Now I like to deepen my crease up with a little bit of a deeper shade. These ones are always ashier because I find it looks a little more natural and defined when I go in with an ashy tone. I finally blend out the concealer under my eyes, and then I add a neutral tone on my lid. Since I have hooded eyes, I do like to make my liner come out a little more straight than usual instead of angled upward. That way I can give an illusion that my eyes aren't hooded. Then I drag the liner in only a quarter way through my lash line, and I like to do it a little more of an upwards triangle into my crease, and that also helps with that little illusion. Since I'm only bringing the liner in a quarter way of the lash line, I like to drag it downwards and soften it up so it's not as blunt. Afterwards, I like to use the same technique for the inner corner of my eye and drag it inwards and only go into that center, and I don't connect the two lines. That way it's almost like a little bit of a contour for my eyes. I then clean up the wing with some concealer to make sure it's completely straight, and then it's complete. Then with the same shade I used in my crease, I apply it right under my eye. I apply mascara on my top and lower lashes, and with my lower lashes I only like to add them towards the center because they are like crazy long. Now we're gonna go in with brow gel because even though it's 2 a.m. we clearly want these brows to stay on. Now for my highlight, I like to use a cream highlighter, and then I soften it up with a setting spray, blend it out, and apply it right to my cheeks with my finger. And then I go over that with a pinkish highlighting powder. I apply my favorite shimmery blush, and then my look is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed my everyday makeup look, and if you want to see anything else, be sure to let me know, and I'll see you guys next time.